Hello everyone, today I want to show you some details of the Home Depot's website. The goal is to make the website easier to use. We want to save customers time to complete the purchase. Home Depot is the leading home improvement retailer. The website is the bridge for online and retail store shopping and services. Target users including contractors, homeowners, improvement of their house. Ordering online can save them time. We use the Carmel guidelines to analyze the website. These guidelines is a heuristic evaluation method that helps us evaluate the usability and user experience of the website. In my presentation, I want to talk about the homepage, member sign-up page, and order page. That includes the pros and the cons. Use orange for the main color. It's the same color as the store because product images are busy and using too much colors would overwhelm your eye. Orange quickly grabs the user's attention. It looks bright and funny. If you worry about the signal color of the flooring, we match the black, white, and green. It gives customers some real-time goods information. For example, how many boxes you can pick up in which store. They want you to remember the brand. The top savings use the proximity principle. Each image's corresponding text wants to say they are related to another one. Today's recommendation using the simplicity principle, similar sharp topics, group them together, they have the same thing. Common region principle use the border as the barrier to separate between groups of the objects. It's time for winter prepares finger group principles we use. Promotion and logo always use the orange as the background and white text. On the upside, use the white color background and the color text for promo timer and browse weekly ads. Each of the products is similar and related to each other. Elements that are arranged on a line. If you click the arrow on the right side, the side on the bottom will be changed. It creates a consistent visual pattern that is easy to follow. That's the continuously principle. The navigation bar provides a continuous line of options, leading the user's eye from left to right. It creates a smooth flow and makes it easier to navigate. Same thing, promotional carousel is displayed in a continuous slideshow. A clear layout is intuitive and easy to use. We can zoom in on the images of products, use the navigation bar and search bar. The new users can quickly understand how to use it. For the fonts, we give the people a clear visual hierarchy. Promo fonts larger than the group's name and larger than the product name. The details name, the coins is too many products too busy. Use dozens law we used if the text is over people's ability, the effect will be worse. Use the white space is very important. So separate different sections, improving readability would be much better. For the accessibility overall, the contrast between the text and the background is good, but links and elements contract not enough. Ensuring color contrast at least 4.5 to 1 for small text or 3 to 1 for larger text. Here, the issue is all pages' content should be contained by landmarks. Screen reader users use landmarks to navigate to the website. Here, only the homepage has no landmark, other parts missing the landmarks. The document should be one main landmark and a unique one. Here's issue is the research bar missing the labels. And the screen readers users don't know how to input data information. Screen readers need the useful form labels to identify form fields. Adding the label to all form elements reduces the ambiguity, ensures that every form element has an isolated label. The other issue, like the screen readers have no way of translating an image into words. The magnifying glass zoom is an image missing word text, ensuring every image has short, descriptive word text, so screen readers users will be clearly understand the image's content. Here, the auto-save keeps proving data rules. For example, if you move to a new home and want to purchase so many products, almost done, but the laptop doesn't work. The result restarted, it won't affect the purchase of the products. The system keeps your products in the cart. So it helps you to complete the tasks and reduce the frustration. Computers are good at math. Memory is much better than people's. Home Depot encourages customers to DIY. This page helps customers calculate lots of the materials such as fences, walls, stairs, tiles, and wallpapers. For example, the decking first, we choose the material. Second, input length, width, and height size. Choose the style, and automatically calculate deck surface area in just 1 minute. The third is change another materials and size, recalculate, finally zoom in on material so you can see the effect. The website has lots of the interactive buttons. I just use videos to explain microcopy and micro-interactions. Promotional code frauded. When you click the button, it can see the info. Black Friday promotion timer use metaphor, you can see the time change. This format lets you know when the promo will be finished. That's interesting. Additionally, store banner is very important. It shows you the store's opening hours, phone number. Map gives users a vivid experience. Nearby stores are useful. Some users want to pick up something at a store, but not available, they will change to another nearby store to buy it. Micro-interaction provides instant feedback. Another screen is, for example, you want to buy flooring. The green number shows you how many products are in store, for which aisle, which bay you will pick up, how many boxes you need. You can calculate by yourself, use the website's tools. If you want to order the same flooring for stairs, but if you are not very familiar with the materials, no worries. The step 4 shows you how to match, like the stair notes or others. You will know the new knowledge and know what's the name for it. And the step 5, when you open the folder, the details, the whole process is similar to asking for knowledge from a foreign specialist, saves customers time that can be, and it's very important. It refers to the small pieces of task that helps users understand the website. It refers to small piece of the task that helps users, like the micro copy can help the website more engaging and enjoyable. The lip chart feature is hidden, not easy to find. It's not smart. Use too many templates to answer your questions and cannot solve problems. For example, I want to replace or repair the water heater, but it gives me no meaningful information. Keywords have a powerful suggestion feature. 1 million products or more. Most users are unfamiliar with the jargon. Some of the products have nicknames, or for the search box, it would record some products you want to search and give you some ideas. I try to use it. The winter coming, I want to install a seal on my sliding door. I typed window, and the suggested words seal appeared. I choose it, and relevant products came up. Intuitive way and show me the different shapes and sizes. They have the multi-way in the navigation. For example, I want to buy the shutter under the blinds and window treatment category. It also in doors and windows category. The subcategory windows is repeated in the larger categories. The categories navigation is overwhelming. It will distract users' attention, easy to confuse. Use shallow navigation to simplify the navigation process. The breadcrumbs can help users better understand the website's structure, provide the convenient navigation, return options, and enhance the findability. It is used to display the user's current location, showing how the user arrived at the current page. We need to shorter breadcrumb trail to help users more understand their location. For the sign-up page, I want to buy like the Christmas deer. not member. I sign up. I will input my email, creating passwords, process trackers marked with the green check marks and telling me which is the current step, and need to type a phone number, review the policy of the return, then I input the code from the smartphone. It's done, step by step, help users understand the current process, and user experience is very friendly. A bad example is the payment web page. Step 1, the default option is pick up. If customers ignore it and pay, they don't know how to change it later. The PayPal button for step 1 is too confusing. Moving it to step 6, payment method, would be better. Pay process doesn't highlight the current step. Users are very passive. So I searched the LVP for vinyl because I don't know the name, and I got the same result using the inclusive language because users are not familiar with the professional vocabulary. Finally, find users' pain point, learn from other competitors' website, deeply research. You don't need to recreate the wheel. Sometimes the best solutions are the one of the user is not the most familiar with that. Thank you.